Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. This is Praise Gaspar, and in this video, we're gonna talk about the basic 7 steps of everyday skincare routine. Yes, you heard it right, skincare routine. Though one of the tips na ina-advise is that if you want to have many views dito sa YouTube, don't ever vlog about your skincare routine. Dahil ang mga tao, walang pakialam sa skincare mo. But in this video, I'm not going to share with you my personal skincare routine, my personal skincare, but rather educate you on what is the step-by-step procedure that you should do in your face. The first procedure after a long day is remove your makeup. Of course, using a makeup remover. Why is it a must to use a makeup remover? Hindi ba siya nadadala ng paghilamos lang? Hindi. Kahit itry nyo, maghilamos kayo, tas mag-toner kayo, makikita nyo sa cotton pads ninyo may mga residue pa rin ng makeup. So, hindi siya naaalis ng paghihilamos without using a makeup remover first. And after using a makeup remover, kailangan pa rin maghilamos. Bakit? Kasi removing makeup without washing will leave an oily layer to your skin and it will clog your pores. After clog pores, alam nyo na ang kasunod niyan, pimple. Shake before using your makeup remover. Bakit? Because of those molecules that is used in skincare to bind oil and water. Makeup remover is great for all skin types. So, wala kang reason para hindi gumamit ng makeup remover. Kesyo, oily type of skin ka, dry type of skin ka, dahil ang makeup remover ay suitable para sa lahat ng skin type. Kanina, na-mention ko na we're gonna talk about basic 7 steps of skincare routine. Pero, isingit ko na lang din tong isa kasi baka may iba sa inyo na gumagawa ng double cleansing. Ano ba yung double cleansing? So, you're actually doing a pre-cleansing before you cleanse your face or before ka maghilamos. Bakit ba nagpi-pre-cleanse or double cleansing? Pre-cleansers are oil-based. It is used to dissolve makeups and oils. Para ito sa mga nag-heavy makeup at may mga makeup na mahirap talaga matanggal or matunaw. And it's great for those dry skins. Ako personally, hindi ako nagpi-pre-cleanse or double cleansing. Pero dapat siya. Hindi ko lang prefer kasi oily type of skin ako at hindi rin naman kasi ako nag-heavy makeup. I just find that makeup remover is enough. Second step is cleansing. So, nakapag makeup remover ka na, nakapag pre-cleanse ka na sa mga nagdo-double cleanse, pero kung hindi ka naman nagdo-double cleanse kagaya ko, makeup remover and then the second step is cleansing. Cleanse the skin twice a day. Kung gusto mong lumampas, okay lang din naman, pero ideally, twice or maximum thrice a day. Bakit? Kasi overwashing will make your face produce extra oil. There are several types of cleansers. Merong gel, merong cream, merong lotion. Use cleansers that suits your skin type. If you're an oily type of skin, use cleansers na pang oily type of skin. Kung ikaw naman ay dry skin, use facial cleansers na pang dry skin. Nakasulat naman yan sa mga product kung pang dry or pang oily or combination. But one thing I can say is that if you're an oily type of skin, find those products that foams or bumubula kasi it helps strip off yung extra sebum. On the other note, if you are dry type, avoid those products that foams kasi it will make your skin feel tight after. Cetaphil is a good example of facial cleanser na hindi bumubula. Tip: don't ever use bar soap. Bakit? Kasi our skin has a level of pH of 4.5 to 5.6. Ideally, we want our skin to be in 5.5 level of pH. Bar soap is at 9 to 10 level of pH, thus leaving the skin in alkaline state, making our face so dry. Our face still needs oil for lubrication and protection. And lastly, hygienic purpose. Ginagamit mo sa paa mo, sa kamay mo, sa kung saan-saan, tas gagamitin mo sa mukha mo. Tapos naka-expose siya ng matagal sa toilet. Or sa Philippines, ang tawag natin CR, bacteria can sit on those bar soaps. Our third step is toning. Toning is important. Why do we need to tone the skin? It rebalances the skin after cleansing, returning it to 5.5 level of pH, removing the excess makeup left. Kagaya nung na-mention ko kanina na kung hindi kayo gagamit ng makeup remover, maghilamos kayo, pag nag-toner kayo, makikita nyo yung cotton pad nyo may makeup pa rin. Minimizes the pores, freshens the skin, and preparing the skin for further treatment. The main natural alcohol found in our toner is called witch hazel, and it's the primary ingredient that helps minimizes the pores and rebalance the skin. The amount of alcohol will determine the type of toner. The highest alcohol content is called astringent, and it's good for oily type of skin. Less alcohol is called toner, and it's good for normal to combination type of skin. Little to no alcohol is called freshener. It's more hydrating and calming in ingredient, and it's good for dry to sensitive skin. Ang aking ginagamit ngayon ay freshener dahil ako ay sensitive type of skin din. So, my preference is to use toners na walang alcohol. After toning, our step 4 is putting serum or ampoules. Dalawa yan. Bahala na kayo mamili kung alin dyan sa dalawa yung gusto nyo. Pero ano bang difference ng dalawa? Serum is in a form of dropper or pump. It has few active ingredients but more concentrated than moisturizers, and it penetrates deeper to the skin because of its smaller molecular size. Whereas ampoules is a super serum, it has high concentration of active ingredients, and it's a single dosage to reduce oxidation of the product. Tip: we have water-based and oil-based serum. Hydrating or water-based serum can be used in the morning but should not have active ingredients that might cause photosensitivity. Oil-based serum should be used at night as they may interfere with your makeup, leaving your face heavy and with oily layer. After serum, we are down to moisturizing our skin, and the fifth step is actually eye cream. Eye cream muna guys bago ang moisturizers. And moisturizers is not enough for our eye area. Bakit? Kasi eye cream is specifically formulated for our eye area. It has active ingredients that's specifically formulated to target fine lines and wrinkles. The molecules in eye creams tend to be bigger, making the consistency of the eye cream a little bit thicker. They contain more oils than day and night moisturizers. Tip: as early as you can, mag-eye cream na kayo guys. Huwag nyo nang antayin na mag-30 pa kayo, or pag nakita nyo na may mga pilegas na kayo dyan, huwag nyo nang antayin na may makita pa kayong signs of aging. Dahil sa eye area at ang ating leeg, yan ang unang-unang nakikitaan ng signs of aging. Kaya as early as we can, maghanap na kayo ng eye cream na mahihiyang kayo at maglagay na kayo. Our second to the last step is still moisturizing the skin. We have the daytime moisturizer and the nighttime moisturizer. Bakit hindi pwedeng isang moisturizer na lang ang gamitin natin sa umaga at sa gabi? Hindi pwede. Meron designated yan na pang umaga at pang gabi. Daytime moisturizer is lightweight, therefore they are absorbed easily into the skin. It has protection from daily elements like dirt and pollution. And daily moisturizer contains sunscreens that protects you from harmful rays of the sun. Nighttime moisturizers contain more active and moisturizing ingredients, and it contains emollients, which means softeners. Bakit sa night moisturizer ang mga active ingredients na yan? Kasi skin functions best while we are asleep to regenerate and repair. Kaya nilagay nila yung mga active ingredients na yan sa night moisturizer kasi dun siya mas magagamit. Okay, so anong mangyayari kapag yung day moisturizer ginamit mo sa gabi at yung night moisturizer naman ginamit mo sa umaga? Day moisturizer if you use at night, you will not get the full range of benefits compare if you use night cream because it has more active ingredients. And night cream naman, kapag ginamit mo sa umaga, una, it will make your skin feel oilier dahil yung mga active ingredients na yan at mas maraming oil content ang night cream kumpara sa day cream. So, pag ginamit mo siya sa umaga, of course, mag-feel oily ang mukha mo. Second, it will interfere with your makeup application. And third, which is the most important, night creams don't have sunscreen protection. Syempre sa umaga, lumalabas tayo, kailangan natin ng sunscreen protection because sun is the #1 cause of aging.
Oh no!
And lastly, our last step for our basic skincare routine is none other than sunscreen or SPF. Yan, importante yan. Importante tayong naglalagay niyan kasi as I've mentioned a while ago, the sun is the #1 cause of aging. Bakit? Kasi it attacks the collagen in our skin. It is a necessity to include in everyday routine ang sunscreen. Tip, sa mga hindi mahilig ng sunscreen, hindi mahilig mag-apply, sinasabi ko sa inyo ngayon, simulan nyo nang mag-apply ng sunscreen, especially sa muka. Dahil kapag ang mukha nyo napabayaan, walang sunscreen, ang freckles nakukuha yan sa exposure sa sun. Kaya maglagay na kayo ng sunscreen, ugaliin, and isama nyo na rin yung katawan nyo. And lastly, don't forget to reapply throughout the day. Paano yun? After ng sunscreen, maglalagay na ako ng makeup. Paano ako magre-reapply ng sunscreen? Hindi nyo naman kailangang hubarin yung makeup nyo para makapag-reapply ng sunscreen. Meron tayong tinatawag na spray SPF para hindi na tayo kailangang maghubad ng makeup at maglagay ulit. Ayan, so isang vlog ko na naman na nagtapos and I hope this video is informative and it help you understand yung step-by-step procedure ng paglalagay ng skincare. If you do like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe with notification bell on. Leave your comments below, I appreciate them and I hope to see you again in my other videos. Thanks for watching!